Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make a complete Python app in just 5 minutes using ChatGPT. And not just that, we'll also deploy it online for free using Hugging Face. So, let's get started. First, I opened ChatGPT and asked a simple question. I want to make an Ohm's Law calculator app using Streamlit. For this, I want 2 files, app.py and requirements.txt. I will deploy the app on Hugging Face. Just by sending this prompt, ChatGPT gave me a complete ready-to-use app code and all the setup files I need. Now let's quickly understand what these 2 files are. App.py is the main Python script where all our app code lives. It tells Streamlit what to show on the website. The title, inputs, calculations, everything. Requirements.txt lists all the Python libraries our app needs to run. In this case, it's just Streamlit. We cannot randomly rename these files. Hugging Face expects the main app file to be called app.py. It also expects the libraries to be listed in requirements.txt. If we change their names, the app won't work. Now, let's deploy it. First, I go to huggingface.co. Hugging Face is a very popular platform for hosting AI models, apps, and demos. And the best part, it's completely free to host small apps like this. If you don't have an account, just sign up using your Gmail. It's super quick. After signing in, I click on my profile icon at the top right and then select New Space. Now here, I have to fill some basic details. Space name. I type Ohm's Law calculator. Description. I add a short description about the app. License. Let's talk about this for a second. A license tells others how they can use your app. For example, MIT license is very open. Anyone can use, modify, or share your code freely. So I select MIT license. Hardware. I choose CPU. That's enough for small apps. Visibility. You can make your app public so everyone can see it, or private if you want to keep it to yourself. I'll make it public. Then I click Create Space. But I made a little mistake. I forgot that Hugging Face doesn't allow spaces or special characters in the space name, so it showed an error. No worries, I just changed the space name to something like Ohm's Law Calculator, with hyphens instead of spaces. After creating the space, I see an empty project. Now I need to add 2 files. I click New File, create a file named app.py, then copy the code from ChatGPT and paste it here. And save. Next, again, new file. Name it requirements.txt, copy Streamlit into it, and save. After uploading both files, the space automatically starts building. You'll see a little building badge. After a minute or 2, it changes to running, which means the app is live and ready. Now let's test the app. You can see the title, Ohm's Law Calculator. I can choose what I want to calculate, voltage, current, or resistance. If I enter values and click the button, it instantly calculates the answer for me based on Ohm's Law. Simple, fast, and fully functional. And we built it in just a few minutes with ChatGPT. So that's it, guys. Using ChatGPT and Hugging Face, you can create and deploy real Python apps super quickly and without any complicated setup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips.